Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, YouTube? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics. And today I have a 3-package mail day. I went ahead and pre-cut them, so hopefully they open on the first try because I'm trying to save time. Shit. I mean, look at how they package that. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Alright. Some okay packaging. I'm going to start doing that. Using these free priority mail things and placing them in the Gemini for a little added layer. Beats bubble wrap, I guess. That's what I usually use. Check it out. I got Major X #1 variant edition 1 in 25 Willis Portasio variant. It's actually Wills Portasio. Super happy to get this. I really hope he's going to be at SDCC, and I really hope that I could get him to sign this. I wish I had this when I went to the Rob Liefeld signing, but guess what? This is what I'm going to do. I am going to submit this and this to El Rey Comics, El Rey, and I'm going to get these signed by Rob Liefeld. And then in the future, if I ever see Wills, I'll crack that other one and I'll have him sign this. I'm super happy. 1 in 25. Got it for a steal. I didn't pay those ridiculous eBay fees. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in this one. I know what's in this one because it's heavy. It's actually a little haul. I got this one for a steal too. So check it out. I got this one on eBay. I got what is this? NYHC Comics. Nice little flyer there. Look at it's got like Venom and Jason Voorhees and swords. So here it's in the Lower Hudson Valley, #1 premier comic book shop specializing in new and back issues. Ooh, and a 10% off with a purchase of $15 or more. So I'm going to go ahead and check them out, but it's valid in-store only. So I'm not going to be able to go, but if anyone is in New York and would like this, please PM me and I will send it to you without a return address. So I got this lot for good price. Thanks for the blue tape. Guess I'm going to shout you out in the title, at least. I needed Gemini mailers. You know, those are $2 on my LCS. So check it out. I got some Spawn last week if you didn't see that haul video. But check out this haul video. I got, start off with Spawn. Ooh, it's double-sided. That's okay. I don't have enough bags and boards, unfortunately. Francesco Mattina covers. I got 289. Missed out on these the first time. 290. Sorry about the glare. 291. 292. I don't know how he makes them look cool. And 293. So now I have a good run. And I guess I'll just try to work backwards. Maybe get some lots. Or at least the key issues first and then get some doubles. But yeah, that was that one. Now let's go ahead and see what's in this one. Ugh. Why would you do me like that, Raymond? Ooh, cut away. I can never remember to do that. Alright. Definitely not reusing this. Actually, I can. Gemini Miller. Don't worry. I can just slide it out like that. Super secure. So check it out. Can't wait to get this one sketched on, so you already know what it is. But strong work. Got this black, all black, only 1,000 made, DCEASED #1 variant. And if you have any ideas, I already have an idea of what to put on here. I would love to hear it. So yeah, I'm already thinking about doing Superman holding an anchor of some sort, and you'll see when I can explain it better whenever it happens. But super happy about this. These are premium price. You know, it's all black cover. Spine's good. No ticks yet. Knock on wood. Whoops. Why would I say yet? But looking good. I'm super excited. So yeah, thanks for checking out this haul video on your Saturday morning, afternoon, evening. Just hope that you have a great weekend, and I'll see you at the next stop. This is High Road Comics, taking the exit.